Wanna know how to create a space in Google Chat? So space basically means creating a group chat considering multiple contacts for yourself in order to discuss. So let's get straight to it. Now first things first, just simply open up your Google Chat. So we have also created some videos regarding Google Chat which is available on our channel, so make sure to watch it. So now you should be under this interface by default, and on the top left side you should be seeing new chat right here. Just simply select it, and here you should be seeing various options. Just simply select create a space right here. Now once you have selected space, just simply type in your space name. Now just simply select create right here. And now once you have selected that, as you can see right here, your cool space has been created. Now you can just simply add members and add any of your contacts that you like. So just simply select them and then select add, and you can just simply add one or more people and you should be good to go. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you next one.